Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your credit card with Capital One, beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your Capital One credit card, start by logging into your Capital One account online. If you don't have an account yet, create one by visiting the Capital One website and following the registration prompts. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section on the dashboard. Here, look for the security option and click on it. You will see various security settings available for your account. First, set up two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Follow the prompts to link your mobile phone number or an email address. Next, review your transaction alerts. Enable notifications for any transactions made on your account, so you can quickly identify unauthorized activity. Consider setting up alerts for transactions that exceed a specific amount, ensuring you're informed of larger purchases. Now, scroll down to the Card Security section. Activate the Card Lock feature, which allows you to temporarily disable your card if it's lost or stolen. If you receive text messages about card usage, make sure they are turned on. You can also opt for a new card number if you feel your current one may be compromised. Make a habit of regularly checking your statements for any unfamiliar transactions. Lastly, remember to update your password periodically to maintain account security. By following these steps, you can help secure your Capital One credit card and protect yourself from fraud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.